Hello. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to put a power tool battery into your kid's power wheel. 20 volts makes these little bad boys rip. Follow along and I'm going to show you how to do it. For this build, we're going to be using a 20 volt pack from Amazon, 7 amp hours. These last about 30 minutes. I have 2 of them. The second thing is the corresponding battery adapter, same thing from Amazon, you can find those. The third thing is from MLtoys. This is a soft start. By no means is it a soft start. They'll still do wheelies, but what this does is it has a low power alarm in it. So if the kids are going up a big hill, the first big hill they go up, as the power gets drained, you may start hearing it beep. That means you have about 10 minutes left until the battery's dead. Once it starts dying, you'll hear a continuous beep, letting you know that the battery's dead and needs to be replaced. So we're going to go ahead and put these items together, and it's super simple. Everything just clicks together. Everything has its own corresponding spot or plug, and literally the hardest thing is finding a place to put it. It's so simple. All right, down here I've already got my power plug clipped off. What you want to do is take your first power cable from your kit, put the white wire to the white cable, click it down, make sure it's in there tight. Black to black, it's in there tight. The second cable we have is our power cable. This cable, the yellow wire, will need to go to power. This powers, I believe, the ESC or something in here. So I have my 30 amp inline fuse, same thing, red to red, black to black. All right, here's that. I've got 2 holes pre-drilled up here on top of the Jeep's firewall. And then I have 2 holes drilled right here for the battery adapter. Now, getting these holes can be tricky. I had to drill a hole through the front of the Jeep to get access to it with my long screwdriver. Alright. Now we just plug everything in. There's only one place that these can go. Power goes here. Battery is over here for this. And we have this other little plug right here. Kind of silly or something. Get over here. Everything is in there, nice and neat. All we gotta do is plug the battery in. When we plug the battery in, the fan on the ESC will come on. And we've got full power. This thing flat rips. It'll go just about anywhere with these foam tires. MLtoys Soft Start, you know, it's not a huge soft start, but it has the battery alarm, which is great. So I think that's worth the money in itself. So I'll button it up and say a few more things. All right, so we've got this little bad boy buttoned up. As you can see, the hood opens and closes still. I got all my electronics. Everything's nice and secure out of the way. The hood can still come down and latch. And I'm telling you, this is the way to go for these little power wheels. They are flat rippers. So, if you have any other suggestions or mods I can do to this bad boy, let me know. I'm happy to try anything out. But as of right now, this is the best combination I've found. Foam tires and a soft start and a drill battery. Will turn any kid's car into an absolute pleasure for both the parents and the child. So, thanks again, like and subscribe, and I hope you guys do this to your kids' stuff. So, see you soon.